Hey Dennis, this is Zach. I just made a whole video and realized that it wasn't recording my voice, so here's my second video to you. I want to show you how to find good items on eBay. I know that you have been doing some listing and you've been doing good, but I want to show you the best way to find listings or to find items. Okay? Um, I am going to show you what I do, and this is the method that I want you to use. You can use any word that you want. Just I'm sitting here looking at a small bench, so that's what I'm going to use for my word. I'm going to go ahead and choose. I like to choose items that have a lot of customer reviews, and maybe say #1 bestseller. These seem to also sell well. So I'm going to copy the Amazon title, take it over, put it into eBay, and we're just going to look for one that has a good profit on it, okay? So 21.47, we know that we're going to need to sell it for about $29 or so to make a good profit. Here's one, $29.94. Let's go ahead and check that, make sure that that is indeed a profit. Okay, 25.44. If I sell it for $29.94, pay 15% of fees, this is what I'm left over with, $25.44, and we can tell that that's at least, well, it's almost $3. It's about $2.88, so that's a good one, right? So we'll go ahead and click on that. You can tell that he has sold 6 of these. So I would go ahead and list this, okay? So now when I'm done listing this particular item, I want to look at this guy, okay? Obey Deals. He has really good feedback, so this number right here is important. The higher this number is, the better. Anything over about 150 is good, but the more the better, and good positive feedback is good, okay? So we know this is a good seller. This is another eBay seller. I want to go to see other items. I want to see what he's selling. Okay, so I will click on this. And $5.80. This is an add-on item, so we have to be careful with those. With add-on items, you want to click down here, and you want to see what the lowest price is. $3.49 plus $4.99. Let's call that $8. There's no profit there, so this is a bad item. We'll look at this one. This is also probably not a good one because it's another add-on item, so we'll skip that. Check a couple more. $14.97, $21.94. I can tell you without checking that this is at least a $3 profit. He's sold 7. I would list this, okay? Make a listing for this. Okay, and then the same thing, we just keep going down all the way through these listings. Usually the first page is good. Sometimes the second page is good. You can keep kind of going. And just keep going until you find items that are no longer profitable. And just keep listing, listing, and listing. Okay? So I could probably spend at least an hour going through all of these items and listing. Okay, these are all good items. Okay, so once I go through all these and list these, I'm going to go back to Amazon and I'm going to do this all over again. Okay, and I just took a shower, so I'm going to type in shower. I'm just going to type in shower and we'll see what happens. This one right here, 302, #1 bestseller. I grab grab this. Go to eBay. And we'll check it. Okay, it's 1945 here. Probably need to sell it for about 26. This one looks maybe pretty good. No sales. 25, this is probably good. Okay, so we notice here, this says 0 sales, right? This item is not sold that we know of. However, I know that there's a profit here. Well, I think there's a profit. Let's check. 25.54. Okay, there's not a good enough profit there. So I'm wrong about that. And that's it. So we checked all these. Nothing good here. So we'll go back and we'll pick a different item. 120, that's good. I'll go ahead and try this one. Okay, this is 35, about $10, it'd be 46. This is a good price. You can see there's no sales, and this is not a good seller. You see 12, that's bad. So we'll not choose that. We'll look at this next one. 3 available, 0 has sold. We come over here, this is a good number. So I'm going to go to see other items. I was going to show you. So there's no sold, right? So I would not list this item. But there's a good profit here, so we know the seller knows what they are doing. It's a good seller. Excuse me. So we go to see other items. We can tell he sold 2 of these. And I'll copy it, take it over to Amazon. You can see the same item, 15.44, 17.99. No profit. So we'll check another one. Check this one. $11.98, $13.83. Okay, no profit. Okay, so 2 bad examples. I'm gonna stop looking here. I'm gonna try a different seller. Okay, $45.99. Again, this is not good because it's a bad seller. Not necessarily a bad seller, just an inexperienced seller. These are all too high. Too high. The price is too high. Okay. 10 available, none sold. Good seller. So I'm going to go to see other items. Okay, so he sold 1 of these. So I'm going to check this. Yeah. I don't know what that's all about.